Okay, I want to show you unboxing of the Panasonic stationary phone. So let's see what is inside box. On the front we have short instruction how to set everything, including how to put in batteries and so on. Next we have fat instruction with everything you need. To know telephone cable and charger. How to set up everything. The phone has originally German language.
Anrufbeantworter aus.
This model has also built-in secretary. Next button are volume up, down, checking signal, hang up call, and previous and next message. Okay, so let's make a test call from mobile number. As you see, lector is reading incoming phone number. We can also change original language, set date, time, we can also add phone to telephone list. And have couple more options, but mostly standard ones. Thank you for watching. Please thumb up, comment or give like. Thank you very much.